Hey everyone, third to last or second to last video that we're making here for rotations. So it's our final transformation that we're going to be talking about today. And what a rotation means is that each point on the pre-image, in this case we are dealing with triangle EFG. We can see that's moving counterclockwise. Each point along this is moving in a circular path about a center of rotation. So in our case, the center of rotation is at the origin. In the future, you're going to be asked to find out where the center of rotation is, but for our purposes today, we can tell that it is at the origin. So every point along in this pre-image is being rotated in a circle about that center of origin, or center of rotation, which is the origin, and it's being moved to its image location. When we're dealing with this, the degree will tell us where the image will be located along that path. So I've already made a circle here, and we can see that if I center it here, that point E gets moved along the circle to this point, E prime. How far, so in this case, this is 90 degrees. If I draw a line, I can see that we will end up with a 90-degree angle. So E, there we go. And we can see that this is about 90 degrees. Again, Cami isn't the best for this. GeoGebra will be much better, but we can see that we've rotated about 90 degrees. And the way that we know it's 90 degrees is that we're moving in a counterclockwise direction. So as you can see here, this point has been rotated in a counterclockwise direction. That is the positive degree. If you're moving in the clockwise direction, sorry folks, too many clockwise and counterclockwise. Alright, so yes, this point is moving in a counterclockwise direction around the circle. So it's rotating 90 degrees counterclockwise. If I am totally messing this up and switching which one I'm talking about, tell me, I'll remake the video. But clockwise is the negative degree. So for this point E, if we moved in a clockwise direction around the circle to E prime, that would be 270 degrees. It's 360 degrees minus 90 degrees. So that's 3/4 turns, 270 degrees in the clockwise direction. So this would be negative 270 degrees. I can change the color on that one to be green to match. Okay, so that one's 90 degrees, positive 90 degrees, and this one's negative 270. Our notation, we must state the center of rotation. So in this case, it is the origin, which we denote by the letter O, and how many degrees it's been rotated. If you leave it as positive, again, it will be assumed that it's counterclockwise. If it's negative, then that will be clockwise. So we say R0 or O, 90. We state our pre-image triangle, which is this one, and then our image. As you'll also notice, the orientation of this triangle, E, F prime, G prime, is also counterclockwise. So we went from being counterclockwise to still being counterclockwise, because the only transformation that changes that is a reflection. So we're going to talk about how to distinguish between these different types, and that'll be the last video.